Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure tracking is stable and your play space is clear. This matters because sensor jitter ruins precision. Once done, warm up your hands and shoulders for 3 to 5 minutes. This reduces input noise and keeps timing consistent. Then, load a short practice map and enable motion smoothing only if frame drops past the 10% threshold, since smoothing masks stutter but can add latency. Practice 1 focus technique for 5 minutes to lock motor patterns early. You now split complex moves into small, repeatable drills, aiming, broken edge timing, and recoil control, and work each for 30 to 60 seconds, because micro-reps build consistency. Once one drill is stable, film a run and use slow motion replay to pinpoint where timing slips. Make specific notes so practice targets actual errors. Then gradually crank tempo up by 5 to 10% every 3 runs, which forces adaptation without overwhelming you. Make sure to record best attempts to measure progress objectively. You finish sessions with 10 full-speed runs where consistency beats flash. This cements reliable execution under pressure. Once done, cool down with low-intensity runs and reflect on 3 measurable improvements: accuracy, timing window, or reduced resets, so you preserve gains. If something goes wrong, like tracking drift or missed inputs, reset sensors, reduce lighting glare, and recalibrate the headset immediately. These steps usually fix hardware causes. Finally, schedule the next focus session and stick to short.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.